Ke Office u Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District Jowai, hakalai terik rempang kalau pynlong ya ke jingïakob quiz bat Dro Dur tang nak kebenta ki kena bat samla puli hapo ke district ha conference hall ke DC office. Haka jingïakob quiz ki dan henreu teli ki kenhun na ki school bat college ki balawan bane shimbenta. Kini ki kentup ya ka sokha Government High Secondary School sokha Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai, kiang nang ba Government College Jowai, bat arteli ki weipat ki kenhun ki day na ka Bharat Scouts and Guides. Haka jingïakob Dro Dur pat ki dan arfu prangut ki nang wanya shimbenta. Ki phang pedeng jong ka jingïakob Dro Dur ki long ka jingtingkai ya ka ka jingpen i lingba ki jingdro halor ka jingtingkai ya ka bala ban penne pensa ya ki telong ka jingadai hapdeng ka jingim bat ka banti janai halor ka jingadai bakongsan hapdeng ka bat ka jingim ka jingdan benta ka ha ka pentha ki jingthau ka kot ka khia bat habaro ki liang jong ka bha ka miat ka jingla bantingkai ha ka lawe ka jingyu i jingai halor ka jingla bantingkai bat penne ya ka hakalawai lingba ki jing pensat jingmut ha ki jing Dro Dur hapdeng ka jingbu jingmut kerpang ya ki jing baki jaka rilum ki mat baya dei bat ka jing duna bat kerdu ki ar kan huan ki bala job ha ka jingïakob quiz ki kentup ya ka sok ha Government High Secondary School sok ha balaya shimbenta da u George Don Kupar gasa bat unang kraukit bor khongla kabawan ha kekerdan baar pat kadai ke Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai, balaya shimbenta da umud bha lapasam bat u quickly pala. Kakong B bela kabalong ke Additional Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District Jowai, habakran sabaro kinong ya shimbenta kalaong ba kini ki program jong ka jingïakob kamdai satya tang na kebenta ka jingrakhe ya ka International Water Conclave 2024, Henry kadairu shibenta ka jing pensap yang jingtip ha ka bayadai bat kimat batingkhu bat ka Kumjuru kalau ong ba ya ka jingïakob Dro Dur dang ha ban up ban penbena ya kinong job. Namar ka jingpha ya ki jingdro seselong ban pethu da kinong bishar. Kinong job na kini ki jingïakob kin yolat pat ban mi khamat na ka district syaka kerdan Jacob habaro ka wei ka jella.
As part of this International Water Conclave 2024, we are having two programs at the moment today. One is here, we're having the quiz competition for the district schools and colleges. Okay, and the second program is the painting competition, which is happening outside. So from now we have 7 groups, no? 7 groups. Okay, there will be a total of 10 questions which will be used for screening. Okay, so we will be giving you these 10 questions. This is a screening process. Okay, so those teams that win from here, from West Giant Hills, will go to Shillong to represent the district. Okay, 2 teams, 2 winning teams. So therefore, for this screening process here at the district level, we will be giving you 10 questions. Okay, you will be given 30 minutes to complete this 10 questions. You can, together with your team member, you will complete this 10 questions, and after that we will assess. Okay, it will not be like the other quiz competition where we ask you questions for each round. Okay, that will be done in Shillong, but this here right now is for the screening only. So we will be giving you the questions, and this is a paper quiz. You will fill here in this page, okay, all the 10 questions. The one who gets the correct answer, the majority of the correct answer, those will be the winning teams.